The Lord be with you. A reading from the Holy Gospel according to Matthew. On one occasion, Jesus said, Father, Lord of heaven and earth, to you I offer praise, for what you have hidden from the learned and the clever, you have revealed to the merest children. Father, it is true. You have graciously willed it so. Everything has been given over to me by my Father. No one knows the Son but the Father, and no one knows the Father but the Son, and anyone to whom the Son wishes to reveal him. Come to me, all you who are weary and find life burdensome, and I will refresh you. Take my yoke upon your shoulders and learn from me, for I am gentle and humble of heart. Your souls will find rest, for my yoke is easy and my burden light. The Gospel of the Lord. Praise be Jesus and Mary. Father, Lord of heaven and earth, to you I offer praise, for what you have hidden from the learned and the clever, you have revealed to merest children. Brothers and sisters, today we are celebrating, sabi nga, the Flying J of the Franciscan Order, Flying J, which is Saint Joseph Cupertino. Why? Because according to his biographer, Saint Joseph Cupertino lived almost half or of his life, no, suspended in the air. Sa kalaki talaga, no? Isang tao na nabubuhay na nakalutang sa langit. No? Yung totoong nakalutang, ha? Yung iba dyan, nakalutang lang yung pag-iisip. No? Sabi nga, lutang, lutang. Iba yun, no? Si Saint Joseph, no? He has this ability, no, to really fly, no? Kaya nga, siguro, ang team song ni Saint Joseph Cupertino I believe I can fly, I believe I can touch the sky. No? Ayan si Saint Joseph of Cupertino. And blessing, no, it was a blessing for me that I was able to visit his tomb many times, no, in Osimo, no, because we have our convent in Campo Caballo, no, it's very near to Osimo. So every time we go there as a student, we visit the tomb of Saint Joseph Cupertino. And at the same time, every time we make an exam, no, mga sa school exam, we always pray the prayer of Saint Joseph Cupertino, no, para makapasa sa exam, no. Anyway, you know, the life of Saint Joseph Cupertino is like a story of an eagle, no. Nakakita na ba na kayong agila, no? Eagle, no. Na daw isang mangangaso or hunter who once get an egg of an eagle. At gibutang niya, nilagay niya sa manukan, no? Poultry, no? Siyempre, no? As time goes by, nabiyak, no, yung itlog ng eagle sa poultry, no? At kasama ng mga manok, no? Doon lumaki yung eagle, yung agila. And one time, no? One time, habang nasa labas yung mga manok, kasama yung eagle na lumaki sa kanila, no? Nakita nila, no, sa taas, umiikot, isang agila, no? Napakaganda ng pakpak, no? Sabi ng mga manok, wow, ang galing-galing naman, no? Tapos sabi nung agila na lumaki sa mga manukan, sabi niya, oo nga, no? Sana makalipad din akong katulad niya. No? At sabi ng mga kapwa niya manok, no? Sabi niya, huwag mo nang pangarapin yan, no? Hindi ka makalilipad katulad niya. No? Manok ka lang. No? Manok ka lang, sabi ng mga kasama niya, no? Manok ka, huwag mo nang sikapin, no? Na lumipad, no? Bilang agila, kasi manok ka. And you know, of course, you know the moral of the story, no? Katulad tayo ng agilang yon, no? And Saint Joseph of Cupertino, no? Unlike us, no? He is the eagle na sabi niya, hindi, no? Agila ako. No? And Saint Joseph Cupertino was able to fly. Why? Because he looked and examined himself. Hindi siya nakinig dun sa mga sinasabi ng mga iba, no? Mga marites, no? But anong ginawa ni Saint Joseph Cupertino? No? He looked at himself and he flew, no? Like an eagle. Di ba? Ganon tayo minsan. We have all the possibility to grow, to become saint. But what happened? No? Ayun. We surround ourselves with very bad influence. No? Kaya nga, tell me who your friends are, and I tell you who you are. Kinsa bang imong gi-frequent? Sino bang lagi mong ka-chat? Sino bang lagi mong kausap? No? Kung iyong kausap parati, mga marites, umano, no? You will not grow. You will not discover your own possibility to be better and best. No? Kasi you surround yourself with bad and negative influence. But if you are like Saint Joseph of Cupertino, enter yourself, look of what is the good that you can do and do it better. No? Acquire the virtues. No? And you will fly and soar in the heaven. No? At alam niyo pa, magandang narinig ko sa mga agila, no? As I watch one day the TikTok, no? Alam niyo yung mga agila pala, pag umabot na sila sa yung patanda na sila, no? They are going old, no? They have two choices, no? Either they let themselves die of old, or alam niyo kung anong gagawin ng agila para muling manumbalik yung kanyang lakas? Masakit, no? He has to break his beak. No, sabi doon, kailangan wasakin ng agila yung kanyang tuka. At hindi lang yon, kailangan niyang putulin yung kanyang mga kuko. No? With his beak, putulin niya. At yung kanyang mga pakpak, yung kanyang mga kailangan, malagas. No? See? The eagle must enter into that great suffering, no? Wasakin yung kanyang. Pero once na nawasak na ng eagle yung kanyang beak at na yung kanyang mga kuko, yun na. Tutubo na uli at yung kanyang mga pakpak na muling tutubo at makakalipad uli siya ng napakataas. And that is, we can see also Saint Joseph Cupertino. He renounced, he is willing to deny himself. Masakit. Sabi nga, na alisin yung mga sa atin, no? Each one of us. But we have to do it in order to fly, no? Kasi nga si Saint Joseph Cupertino, he was able to fly because he has no attachment. Yun. He has no attachment. Mapamagulang, nanay, tatay, lugar, bagay, Because that is the reason we cannot go forward. We have too much attachment. No? But if we are willing to renounce it, no, break it, take it out, no, then we can fly like Saint Joseph Cupertino. No? Sino ba ditong hindi gustong lumipad? Di ba? Lahat tayo gusto natin. And time will come, kitang tanan, lilipad tayo papunta kay Lord. Di ba? Sabi ni Saint Paul sa Bible, we will fly like a bird to encounter the Lord in the air. No? Kaya nga, brothers and sisters, no? Let us imitate Saint Joseph Cupertino. No? Let us choose those person we communicate every day. No? Makipag-communicate tayo doon sa mga taong magbibigay sa atin, magtuturo sa atin na lumago sa spiritual life. No? Huwag yung mga tao na puro umaga hanggang hapon, no? Puro bad ang iano sa atin. Uy, alam mo ba, si ganito, uy, si ano, ganyan. No? See, it will not lead us. And secondly, no? We must be willing like an eagle, willing to suffer, willing to be detached. Hindi man mahirap, no? But with the grace of God, no? We can do it so that we can fly above our problems, above our sufferings, above our difficulties. Praise be Jesus and Mary.